This one was tricky because it required a lot of strength, but I think that I could get my head down a bit more and my back straighter. I had a straight back and straight arms. I can move my leg a bit forwards to stretch more. In this warrior pose, I could move this leg forwards a bit and keep them in a line and have my arms a bit straighter and also in a line. This is my favourite pose, the plank pose, but I have noticed that I could lift my head up a bit more and maybe get my back to go a tinsy-wincy bit down. In the tree pose, I could get my leg a bit higher up there.